What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Alright, we're going to continue where we left off and putting the tile on our front place here. Alright, we're going to put the tile here in this area here. So everything's nice and dry now, nice and hard, so we can lay a small layer of mortar and put our tile on this. So this is what it looks like before, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Let's get started. Let's get our wet saw out here, our tile, all our measurements, and we're putting a little strip here. I don't know what you call it. This little transition piece that I put on this one right here. So I'm going to put one of those pieces right at the edge here and then lay our tile over it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is, these are staggered, so what that means is there's one and then there's like a fourth of one full one and a fourth of one. I don't want the line to be continuous to this one. I want it to be staggered, so I'll put the level here to make sure it's nice and straight, and I measured 9 inches from here to here. I'm going to cut a tile from 9 inches and I'm putting this trim piece here. So let me show you guys. Basically that's how it's gonna look, and I have to measure from here all the way down to there. I'm gonna leave a little gap in the bottom, but take the measurement from there and then cut it up. Okay. This is a piece that's going to be on top. And we have this right there with a small gap on the bottom to put some grout down there. That looks good. Oh yeah, that looks good. We're going to measure the next side. Alright, all our pieces are cut now. Bam, bam. It took me a while because everything has an angle. Like I said, the cement is at a slope, so I have to measure from each side, trace it with the marker, and then cut them. But I have all our pieces now. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and I need to buy another one of these, so I can't finish it today. I'm gonna have to finish it tomorrow because I need a piece that's long enough to fit throughout this whole thing. So we have it, but at least we got everything cut. There's an update on my parents' kitchen right here. My dad went ahead and ran the plumbing for the washer right here. Right there. Now he's measuring to make the wall this way. It's gonna be attached here because they still need a laundry room slash garage or whatever this is. So they're gonna build the wall right here. And this is going to be the washer and dryer over here where the pipe is at. And then this whole thing is going to be part of the kitchen. This door too is going to be switched. It's going to be put right here. This is how the kitchen is right now. So excuse the mess because like I said, they're under construction, so they moved everything from the garage out here. but she doesn't like that she only has these cabinets here. So kind of a small little kitchen. So what they're gonna do is eliminate this whole section here, put the wall over there, and open all this area up so that she not only has cabinets here, but also cabinets against that wall that they're making over there, like an L shape. I'll show you guys a plan. I did a plan for them on my MacBook. So I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like. And this is what it looks like right now. We got our dining area. That's the garage where it is right now. And the kitchen, which is outdated. All right, this is a plan that I did for my parents' kitchen. I'm using a software called Home Designer Suite. And so you can see, this is the wall that my dad's gonna be building right here. You have your washer, your dryer, and you have the access door to the garage right now. So right now, if you notice, it's all the way up here. So there's a window, so there's gonna be all this area here. So bam, bam. So the wall that's currently right there right now is all the way up here. All this. So it's gonna be knocked out, and we're gonna be left with all this open space, which the plans are to do cabinets, and a small island. So let me give you guys a different view real quick. And here we go. So there you go right there. So if you guys notice on my footage, this is what's currently there, and then there's a wall that goes all this, and this is the dining room. So this is what it's gonna be potentially. So this is what it's gonna potentially look like. So this is that area that you guys see my dad working on. There's a wall right now that goes like this, an L shape. So cabinets, little island, access to the garage / laundry room there. But this should almost double the cabinetry. There you have it. I'm gonna put this all away now. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And we're back. We're gonna continue this. First thing I wanna do is I'm gonna be cutting this one to size and then mix our mortar. This is the one we're using. This is for large format tile. So anything over 15 inches, we gotta use this. Bam, bam. So we'll put it here. And that's about it. So let's get started because I got my son's jiu-jitsu class today, so we got to finish all this before I got to take him to his class. And right now it is 3:30, so we have about an hour to finish all this. All right, I'm gonna start with measuring out for that little metal piece from here, probably all the way to here. So 71 and a fourth exactly. All right, mixed it a little thick this time because it's gonna go on a vertical surface, so gotta make sure that it just slide right back down. All right, so it's gonna be a little bit messier because I'm gonna try to trowel on there. All right, let's get started.
This is how we do this.
Okay, I'm back buttering, making sure we're all good right here.
In one way, I'm yours. In one way, we're strangers. But I know for sure we got something in common that I know you want.
así nos quedó. We're all finished here. Everything's nice and straight. We use these spacers. I'm not sure what size these are, but I use those spacers, same ones that I used up here, to space it out evenly. Right now it's a little bit dirty because we have the mortar, but don't worry about that. Just make sure that in these areas here you don't have any mortar, excess mortar, because we're going to be filling all this up with grout. Same thing with this down here. We want to make sure there's no excess mortar coming out of these areas because we're going to be grouting this area here. But everything came out good. I'm going to wait till it dries and then I'll clean it up and then we can add our grout. While that dries, I'm going to try out this lacquer. I want to add this to all the rocks so it shines a lot better and it protects it. It gives it a wet look. So I'm going to pour just a little bit into here. I know this is not the type of brush you're supposed to use, but I'm going to try it out with this and we'll test a little area in the back to see how it looks. All right, I poured very, very little. Clean all this rock out. Okay, we're going to be using a little bit of this. Testing it out here on the rock. Hopefully it gives us the wet look we're looking for. Let's try it here on the side. So yeah, oh yeah, you can tell the difference already. So not only is it gonna look better, look from that to here, but it's gonna actually protect it. I'm not gonna be using the same method to do it. I'm gonna use a bristle brush. But there you have an idea of what it's gonna look like. Gotta clean this out before I do it though. Well, that looks really good. Let me see if I do this top one right here. I'm gonna clean the brick better. There you can see the difference between that one and this one. Damn. Alright. See how it looks in the sun tomorrow. And then maybe on the weekend I'll apply it to everything. Make it shine. This is a product, if you guys are interested, I bought it at Home Depot for like 60 bucks for this. How many gallons is this? 1 gallon? There we have it. Oh, I know you guys missed the truck. Stay tuned, I have videos to make for the truck. Actually, I think the next thing we have to do is cut up this backside here because our rims rub way too much back here. And they're gonna destroy my fender liner, and these fender liners are pretty expensive, so I gotta get down here and cut this and push it back. There we have it. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys want more truck videos, if you guys are liking the home remodel videos. I'm gonna try to mix it up a little bit of each, you know. Maybe I'll do a little truck videos and a little bit of home remodel videos, because I know a lot of people, like I said, found my channel because of this truck. So stay tuned. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you for everybody who supported the channel by purchasing your shirts and your hats. Everything is on my website on projectvc.com, so check them out. So that's gonna be it. Make sure you guys stay tuned till next time.